Master of Ceremonies, respected Talatala, representatives from Suva City Council, representatives from CIU, our friends from community policing, our main stakeholders, the youth, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. Just a month ago, we were in the Nelanga village in Bam, where I had the privilege of laying foundation for the volleyball court for the youth of Nelanga. I was there yesterday to inspect the project, and in 2 weeks' time, we will officially hand over that project to the youth of Nelanga. But this morning we are here for the youth of Jitu, Nambua and nearby to let you know that this is your volleyball court. And after the formalities, I would like to step back and have a Talanwa session with the youth of this area. As I have said that it was my pleasure to be in Nelanga to lay the foundation ceremony. Likewise, I am happy to be here this morning, and it also gives me pleasure to do the foundation laying ceremony for this project that will make a big difference in the lives of our people in this respective area. Ladies and gentlemen, on your behalf and on behalf of my ministry, at this time I would like to recognize some of the key individuals and organizations who have helped to turn this dream for the Samambula community into reality. First and foremost, Suva City Council for allocating a piece of land to construct this volleyball court. The contractors who will construct this volleyball court, Co-Builders and Furniture Private Limited, the staff from CIU, and of course, my staff from the sports development. This new facility will have a great impact on this community of Samambula, as it will promote health and well-being for the community. No more playing on the mud. The facility is intended for sports like volleyball and will also be an income-generating opportunity for the youth and the community in hosting sports events. Here at this juncture, I would like to inform that in future, this can be extended to a full multi-purpose court. There is a provision to extend that. And need be, we will do that. I know it's about to rain, can't blame, it's the Suva weather. But ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank all of you for your presence here. And as we close out this formal portion of our dedication, please feel free to come forward and turn a shovel of cement yourself and create your own picture in time of the opening, how you were there when it all first began. So with these few words, once again, thank you for coming. Please step back, as I mentioned that I would like to have a conversation with the youth. Enjoy the refreshment and share in our joy of this wonderful occasion. Vinaka and thank you.